In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Instagram post so that when people are looking at your post, they will hear some music. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app and then just start creating a post. I'm just gonna choose that picture and hit add next. On that step, we are able to add some filters to our image. However, basically we are interested here in that music option, because if we tap on it, we'll be able to add a song to our post. We can select a song from that list, from saved music if we get into saved, and also we can use search bar to search for some specific music. However, I'm just gonna choose that one and it will immediately start playing. After that, by dragging this timeline, we can select the exact part we would like to use in our post. And also right here we can switch the duration. If we tap at that circle, we'll be able to set the duration of this song part from 5 up to 90 seconds. Once it is done, tap at done, and to continue, tap at done right here. After that, hit at next, and then you will be able to share that post. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.